Why use CloudBacko Go to protect your Hyper-V and VMware servers? CloudBacko Go VM backup modules support all Hyper-V and VMware deployment options, including Hyper-V Cluster, Hyper-V Standalone, VMware vCenter, VMware ESXi. Smarter VM backups. Application-aware backups. Ensures data in memory and pending transactions are flushed to disk during backups of Windows VMs. For consistent data backup and complete recovery of data and services, for example, VMs running MS SQL Server, MS Exchange Database, and Oracle Database, significantly improving application protection and reducing recovery time. Smaller backup files. CloudBacko Go automatically excludes swap files and deleted data blocks from the Hyper-V and VMware virtual disk for a smaller backup file. As less data is transferred, enables faster backup and recovery and more efficient data storage utilization. Data deduplication. VM backups with data deduplication significantly reduces the amount of data stored by up to 90%, which translates to lower storage usage and charges. Faster backup and recovery times. Different recovery options for every situation. Fast recovery options. VM Run Direct. VM Run Direct can power up a Hyper-V or VMware VM directly from the backup file in less than 1 minute. Then use the live migration feature to restore the VM back to the hypervisor while it's still running, minimizing system downtime. Granular Restore enables both VM and file level restore on a single backup set. Quickly recover certain files from a VM without the need to restore the complete VM. Simply mount the virtual disk directly from the backup destination to recover the individual files. Standard recovery options. Recover the VM to the original Hyper-V or VMware server, recover the VM to a standby Hyper-V or VMware server, or recover a single virtual disk. Other benefits? Backup your VMs to local storage, network storage, CloudBacko Drive, or other cloud storage. Backup to multiple destinations. Backup automatically. Unlimited versioning allows you to recover any version. All your backup data is protected with strong AES 256-bit encryption. Protects your data from ransomware and hackers using two-factor authentication. All this for the unbeatable price of just $1. Subscribe to CloudBacko Go now. The fastest, smartest, most secure, and most affordable backup and recovery solution for the protection of your Hyper-V and VMware servers.